Guys, I am giving away 3 Visa gift cards for $200, $100, and $50. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where you find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do part 2 of the Coke life hack. So let's get started. It's really interesting how they use that clothing material to have blood stains in it. I'm not a girl, so I don't know if that happens all the time, but I guess that is a possibility. I don't have that clothing material or that blood available, so I'm actually going to puncture my finger to have the blood come out and see if the blood stain come out or not. Because to get rid of blood stains is actually really difficult. With Coca-Cola, I doubt it's gonna do anything at all. I'm gonna say that's gonna be busted. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Warning, if you cannot stand the sight of blood, I would say subscribe right now and click out of the video. Guys, I'm having my own blood come out for your enjoyment, so please leave a like for this video. I am so scared. Ow! So the thumbnail did not lie. As you can see, I do have my own real blood right here. I'm going to wash it with Coke and then wash it with cold water, exactly as they said. In their video, the shirt had not even a single spot of blood left or even a stain. So let's see if that is exactly the result that we get as well. So while the Coke is doing its magic on the blood, let's see our next genius hack. Alright, hands down, these hacks looks ridiculously fake. They are not even scrubbing the headlights. I don't think this one is gonna be realistic at all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But let's go outside and let's try out this hack. Alright guys, so as you can see, this headlight right here is quite foggy. So I'm going to pour this Coca-Cola on that to see if it clears out completely or not. So let's try it out. Wow, I'm really surprised. This headlight looks a lot more clearer than it did before. Mind blown. I did not think that was going to work at all. Seriously, that was like magic. As I was pouring, by the time the can was empty, the glass was clear. I think that one actually worked a lot better than cleaning with toothpaste. If you haven't seen the video, click right here. This one is less messy, saves a lot of time, and pretty cheap as well. So I'm going to say this hack worked. Okay, so for removing bloodstain from clothes, at first by only pouring the Coke on the clothes, that actually didn't do anything at all. So I put some Coke in a bowl and actually dipped the shirt in the Coke and left it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I could see a lot of the blood actually coming out. So I left it for about 3 hours. And as instructed, I put it on the cold wash and this is the result. So ready to have your mind blown again. Boom! Believe it or not, this is exactly the area right here where I put my own blood. With your naked eye, if you look very closely, you can see still like some brown mark around it, but trust me, it is definitely not noticeable. The shirt did get some discoloration by keeping it dipped in the Coke, but that is not much at all. So I'm going to say this one worked as well. Guys, my mind is blown twice today. Both of the hacks work exactly as they showed. Like I said many times before, this channel is not only about showing busted life hacks. I'm trying out random hacks that look suspicious to me. I do them for the first time with you guys, and as you can see, most of them are definitely busted, some are plausible, and occasionally we get like today's realistic. For the giveaway, since a lot of you are from international countries, I'm not really sure if those gift card is going to work in the other countries. So I'm planning to switching those gift cards for either a PlayStation Pro or a hoverboard. So let me know which one you like better, if you want the hoverboard or the PlayStation Pro, or if you want to keep it as the gift cards. Okay, so now that you have watched the whole video, as I trust you did, To enter for a chance to win those 3 Visa gift cards, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, you're going to have to share this video in your Facebook and Instagram. Definitely don't forget to tag me. Here's my Facebook and here's my Instagram. Do not forget to like the Facebook and follow on the Instagram. To decide who will win which amount is completely up to you guys. For example, the person that is most active and share the video the most often has a higher chance of winning a higher amount. Also, be creative guys. Take a picture of yourself or record a small video talking about this channel. That will also increase your chance of winning and winning a higher amount. This contest will end when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So, best of luck guys. But thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hackbuster family, and I really appreciate you giving your valuable time to watch my video, so thank you so much for that. If you like the video, make sure to press the thumbs up, definitely subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video, and make sure to share with your friends and family so they know which life hack is real and which one is busted. To see part 1 of the Coke life hack, click right here. To see another video, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face. See that right there? Click it to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. Peace.